Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you Arduino project that I have done. Okay, so here we have a keypad. I ordered that from eBay, and here Arduino breadboard, and here is a light inside. But it's brighter in this box, so I put it in this box. So let's start. When I press 1, it will go slow and the light will turn on. So let's see. But it's really slow, so it's not turning. Okay, so when I press 2, it's faster and the light is brighter. On 3, okay. On 4, on 5, and when I press 0, the light is turned off and the motor is turned off. Okay, so if this video reaches 100 views, I will explain the code and how did I wire it and all other things.